Holly McKhann here with Julie Corcoran, JCRenovators.
I started my design business because I renovated my own home about 8 years ago. And when I was done with the process, I realized two things. One is that I could have probably written a book to help other homeowners because there's no manual to know what you're getting into with such a big project and how many decisions are going to need to be made and timelines. And it's like planning a wedding that once you do it, you're almost a professional at it.
Yes.
And so I realized that there's not a lot of resources for homeowners out there. And the other thing I realized was that I loved doing design and I loved the stress of it all and the mechanics of it all, and that I needed to be doing it full time.
Wow. So how long have you been doing it?
I started my business 5 years ago.
Okay.
And before then, I did some friends and family and just tried it out to make sure it was something that I was going to enjoy doing. And I've been doing it full time for 5 years.
Wow. Okay. So what types of projects do you do?
I love homes that I get to do remodels in. I love moving walls and making the face function better, bringing in more light. I'm a strong believer in the fact that if it functions well and feels good as you move through the space, that the pretty is the easy part.
Oh, I like that. So what is your favorite thing to do on a project? Is it selecting the finishes, or is it the moving of the walls, or what is it?
I love that there's so many different aspects to design because I like change in my life and I like to move from one task to another. And so I enjoy all of the aspects. I think my favorite part is truly tearing down walls and making it function better and focusing on the function, customizing with clients what they need for storage and where they need that storage, where they use it and how they live, and really understanding what their needs are and helping them meet those needs.
And then when it comes to furniture and window treatments, do you help them do custom everything? I see you've got some kind of project going here.
Yes, we can do custom. I have one of my jobs is to meet all the trade vendors that are out there and understand what the options are. And so I have my list of favorites, and it's a range of custom or stock, depending on the client, their desires and price points.
That makes sense. What is this project that you're working on? I love all these colors.
This is a whole home renovation in Dana Point. And we've got some tile selections here, some mantle colors and some lighting. And we are finalizing the front door and accent wall paint colors and picking the drapery and blinds that'll go into the home.
Very nice. I've never seen a little presentation like this with all the colors. This is really neat. So is this a selection of colors for them to choose from, or
yes, some of them are decided on and some of them we're still working on. And so the interiors and the trim work has already been decided on. The only things remaining are the front door, which is a big decision, and the accent wall.
Yes, the front door, the first thing you see.
The first thing that you see, yes. And color is a funny thing, and it's very different in natural light than it is under ambient light.
And different times of day.
Different times of day, that's right. And so getting the front door just right is important.
Yes. What are the biggest challenges that you come up against, and how's that go for you? Is it stressful, or you're like, oh, I can take on anything? Or
yes, I think I am. I'm there where I've kind of seen it all and done it, not all of it, right? You always learn something new, but I've been through some tough things and come out okay. I think that one of the challenges are to express to the homeowners how many decisions need to be made, how many things we're really taking off their plate for them,
right,
and how important communicating with the contractors, the different service providers, the timelines, and managing that process, how inundating it can become.
Yes.
Because like I said before, you never really understand it until you've been through it.
Oh, yes.
And then the other challenge is just ensuring the client that things are going to go well.
Yes, yes.
That it's all okay and you've made good decisions and that it's going to look beautiful.
Yes. Well, that's awesome. Is there anything that you'd like to share additionally, or what you're looking forward to in your business? Oh, and where do you work or serve? I know you said this is Dana Point. We're currently in San Clemente in the heart of downtown. So
Yep.
I'm assuming you serve those two towns. And
Yeah, absolutely. I love working close to home. Those are my favorite projects. I work all over Orange County and sometimes LA. I have done a few out-of-state projects, but I love working close to home. I'll go anywhere.
Yeah, and she's a San Clemente local. So,
yes.
Yes. All right. Anything else you'd like to share?
No, I thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. I'd love to invite anyone looking to remodel their home to visit my website at JCRenovators.com. And whether it's me or another designer, I would encourage you to understand the value a designer brings and how much easier and how much better the end result will be working with a professional.
Oh, yes, because speaking from experience, you don't know what you don't know.
That's right.
When you think you're going to do it. And HGTV makes it look so easy in real life.
There's a lot of working parts. That's right.
Yeah. Well, thanks so much for joining us today. And make sure you check out her website and give her a call to see if she can help you on your next project.